Picture this. You pull into a tight parking space, open your door just a fraction of an inch too far, and clack. That stomach-churning sound of metal hitting concrete. You look down, and there it is. A fresh jagged chip in your pristine paint, exposing bare steel that is going to start rusting before the month is over. Most drivers wait until their doors look like a chewed-up disaster before they do anything about it, or worse, they waste money on cheap, flimsy plastic guards that yellow and peel off after one hot summer. Today, we are putting an end to the door ding madness. I am going to walk you through the absolute best door edge guards on the market so you can protect your investment, save hundreds in paint repairs, and get the job done right the first time. Before we jump in, do me a favor, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss our honest no BS automotive reviews. I have hand-tested these options and I have placed the best updated links and deals right in the description below so you can grab exactly what you need. If you are stuck trying to decide which style fits your specific ride, drop your car's year, make, and model in the comments and I will personally help you match it to the perfect guard. Let's start at number 5 with an option built for the absolute purists out there. The 3M Door Edge Protection Film. 3M uses a high-grade thermoplastic polyurethane elastomer that is completely clear, virtually invisible, and backed by their legendary marine-grade adhesive technology. When you hold this roll, it feels less like tape and more like a tough rubbery second skin for your vehicle's metal. It is designed to be incredibly flexible, stretching smoothly around complex body lines, and it is fully compatible with any paint finish without yellowing from UV exposure. In real-world use, this is the perfect solution for anyone who hates the look of thick black guards on their car. If you drive a clean sports car or a luxury sedan and want to protect your door edges without ruining the factory styling, this is your go-to. It shrugs off light impacts, keys, and gravel beautifully, making it an exceptional choice for daily commuters. The only real drawback is the installation process. Because it relies on a wet-apply adhesive system, you have to be meticulous with cleaning and placement to prevent tiny air bubbles from getting trapped underneath. But if you take your time, the long-term value is massive because it simply does not budge. Now, this next one fixes a problem that most people do not even realize they have until they run out of material halfway through the job. Coming in at number 4 is the MYFAMIREA 33-foot-long car door edge guard. This is a heavy-duty, U-shaped guard strip that features a high-density rubber construction, reinforced with embedded segmented steel clips running all the way through. It gives you a massive 33 feet of length, which is more than enough to fully cover the doors, trunk, and hood of even the largest family SUVs and dual-cab trucks. The U-shaped channel slips directly over the raw metal seam of your door, squeezing tightly without requiring any glue. If you have a busy family vehicle, a big truck, or a work van that constantly parks in tight spots, this is the heavy-duty armor you need. In my experience, those internal metal clips give it a vice grip on the door edge, ensuring it stays firmly in place even when run through high-pressure automatic commercial car washes. It is incredibly durable and absorbs hard slams against garage walls and metal railings like an absolute champ. The only minor drawback is that because of those internal metal reinforcement clips, you will need a sturdy pair of tin snips or heavy wire cutters to trim it to length, as standard household scissors just won't cut it. What if you want that exact same robust protection, but you are driving a compact car and do not want to buy 20 feet of extra material? That brings us to number 3. The Colisal car door edge guards in the 16-foot length. This product uses the exact same heavy-duty, reinforced rubber channel design with internal segmented steel clips, but scales the length down to a perfect 16 feet. This makes it an incredibly cost-effective option for small sedans, hatchbacks, and coupes where you only need to protect 2 or 4 standard doors without leaving a giant roll of leftover material gathering dust on your workbench. Using this on a daily driver is incredibly satisfying because the installation is exceptionally easy. You literally just press it onto the edge of the door, tap it flat with a rubber mallet, and cut the end. It completely covers up any pre-existing paint chips and stops new ones from forming immediately, providing instant peace of mind. It stands up to extreme freezing weather and blistering summer heat without cracking or slipping out of place over time. The only trade-off here is strictly the length. If you later decide you want to protect your hood or trunk seams as well, 16 feet will limit your options, so make sure to measure your car's doors before hitting buy. Now, this next option is a massive favorite for enthusiasts who want premium quality without paying a premium price. At number 2, we have the SYOAUTO 32-foot door edge guard. This is a highly flexible, weather-resistant PVC rubber trim that features a multi-layered design with a textured matte finish on the outside and internal steel grip clips. It gives you 32 feet of material, which easily covers 4 doors on most trucks and mid-sized SUVs, with a generous amount left over for spares or smaller projects. In real-world testing, what sets this one apart is the sheer flexibility of the PVC compound. It handles tight corners, sharp bends, and dramatic styling creases on modern doors, far better than stiffer rubber models, laying completely flat without puckering or bubbling. It has a very clean, low-profile look when installed, blending seamlessly with black factory trim pieces. It is the ultimate bang for your buck choice for anyone wanting professional-grade protection on a budget. One thing to keep in mind is that the matte texture can attract wax residue if you are buffing your car, so you will want to wipe it down carefully with a damp cloth after detailing. Are you ready for the absolute king of door guards? This is the one that gets every single detail right. Taking our number 1 spot is the Winunite 32.8-foot no-glue car door edge guards. This premium guard features an ultra-grade EPDM rubber compound that is completely weatherproof, ozone-resistant, and incredibly tough. It utilizes a state-of-the-art internal steel clip structure that provides a permanent glue-free grip that won't scratch your factory clear coat or leave sticky, messy adhesive residue behind when you decide to remove it. It even features a built-in double-lipped seal design on the inner channel to prevent water and dirt from slipping beneath the guard and causing hidden rust. This is the absolute gold standard for door protection. In my years of working on cars, I have never seen a guard that fits as snugly or looks as OEM professional as this Winunite strip. It completely eliminates the risk of door dings, dampens road noise slightly by sealing the door gaps better, and stands up to the absolute harshest road salt and weather conditions imaginable without fading. It is perfect for daily drivers, pristine show cars, heavy-duty trucks, and everything in between. The only drawback? It is so high quality and popular that it frequently sells out, so if you see it in stock on Amazon, do not hesitate to lock it in. To wrap it up, if you want a completely invisible look for a clean luxury car, grab the 3M clear film. If you have a massive truck or SUV, go with MYFAMIREA's 33-foot roll. If you have a smaller coupe sedan, save your cash and get the 16-foot Colisal. For the best balance of flexibility and cost, the SYOAUTO is incredible, but if you want the absolute best overall protection, build quality, and paint safety, buy the Winunite. Do not wait for your next expensive scratch. Go ahead and check the description right now for the best updated deals on all 5. Hit that subscribe button for more real, honest car reviews and comment down below if you have any questions. Go make the right choice, protect your paint, and I'll see you in the next video.